All right, here's a good question. They're asked to rationalize the denominator. So let me rewrite it. 1 minus root 7 over 7 root 3 minus root 21. So I need to multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of the bottom. So 7 root 3 and root 21, but instead of a minus, I'm going to put a plus. And if I do that to the bottom, I also have to do that to the top. Okay, so now I've got a bunch of foiling that I have to do. Let's start with the top one. So it'll be 1 times 7 root 3 is 7 root 3. And 1 times root 21 is a positive root 21. And then root 7 times, negative root 7 times 7 root 3 would be a negative. 7 out front, that's not in a radical. And then root 7 times root 3 would be root 21. And then lastly, negative root 7 times root 21. So it'll be a negative root whatever 7 times 21 is. Let's just write it like that, 7 times 21. And maybe 21, I'll just write it as 7 times 3. Just see where I'm going with that. Okay, over on the bottom, 7 root 3 times 7 root 3, 49 root 9. 7 root 3 times that, will be a positive 7 root 3 times 21. I could do the same as the other one, but I know that they'll cancel, so I think I'll just write 63, because 3 times 21 is 63. And then this times this would be a negative 7 root 63. And then lastly, root 21 times root 21, so it's a negative root of 21 times 21. Okay, on the top, let me write 7 root 3. And then these things are common. And so there's 1 root 21 minus 7 root 21, so that would be minus 6 root 21. And then minus, the 2 7s are inside, I can bring 1 out. So it'll be 7 root 3. So on the top there, see, I have a positive 7 and a negative 7, so they cancel. So on the top, all I'm left with is minus 6 root 21. On the bottom, these two will cancel. So I have 49 times root 9, and the square root of 9 is 3, minus root 21, or root of 21 times 21. There's 2 inside, I can bring 1 out, and there'd be nothing left inside, so there'd just be a 21 there. Okay, let's keep going. So that'll be minus 6 root 21 over 49 times 3, I think is 147, minus 21. So minus 6 root 21 over 47 minus 21, 26, 126, I think. I think that's right. 126, yep. And then 126, I think, is a factor of 6. So I could rewrite that as 6 times 126. 6 goes into that. Twice and 1. 21 times. So 21. And then this 6, they're both outside of the radical, so that's a factor of 1 I can eliminate. So my final answer will be minus root 21 over 21. Lots to do in that question, eh? And when you take a look at it, there's a whole lot of things that could go wrong or right. Hopefully that helps.